Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Now, as you can see, it is in your white paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the unit. There's quite a few great features packed into this model as well. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped on there, as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your power lift gate. And you can see in the cargo room of the Jeep, there is plenty of space back there to store all your gear bags, kind of secured out of the way, well on the go. This model also is equipped with your rubber floor mats in the cargo area and both in the front and second row seats as well. So a great accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Again, your power lift gate there. Now the Jeep Cherokee does offer great 4x4 capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Could make a great everyday vehicle. And just to check out some of the features inside, so the unit itself can sit up to 5 passengers. The seats themselves are a leather seat, so again offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. And as I mentioned, you can see your rubber floor mats included there. Up top, you do have your dual pane sunroof. And in that back seat as well, you can see you do have a few media ports back there. Keep your passengers' devices charged up well on the go. So you can see you do have your dual climate zone controls there, your access to your audio media ports just in behind there as well. The unit itself does have your push button start and keyless entry, so you can see the key fob for the unit right here. You do have remote start included as well. So again, just another great feature that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You can see your cruise control option just in on the right hand side there, your Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you also do have access to your audio media controls, which means you can keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected well on the go. Of course, you do have all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. But you can see this Jeep Cherokee is packed full of great features inside and out. Can make a great everyday vehicle. If you have any other questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call at 780-826-2999.